People get hurt at work every day in Georgia, and oftentimes these injuries are debilitating. The worker starts losing paychecks, they need continuing medical treatment, and they worry if they will ever be able to return to their jobs. Well, under Georgia law, there are three types of benefits an injured worker can receive. These are wage benefits, medical benefits, and permanent partial disability benefits. In this segment, I'll explain the first of these benefits, wage benefits. Now, if your authorized treating physician takes you completely out of work for your on-the-job injuries, the employer and the insurance company must pay you 2/3 of your average weekly wage while you're out and disabled. And how do they calculate your average weekly wage? Well, the insurance adjuster will add your gross pay using the pay stubs for the 13 weeks immediately before your on-the-job injury. And then they divide this amount by 13. This is the average weekly wage. For example, when you add all of your paychecks for the 13 weeks before your accident, you arrive at a grand total of $7,800. You then divide the $7,800 by 13. This equals $600, and this is your average weekly wage. The insurance company has to pay you 2/3 of that amount, or $400 per week in workers' compensation checks. Now, when we are hired by a client to represent them in a workers' compensation claim, we immediately request a complete copy of the insurance company's file on the injured worker. We essentially send them a subpoena asking for the following documents: all medical records, the panel physicians, and all board forms. Now, in particular, I want to look at the WC6 form. This is the form the employer insurer they have to complete this to show how they calculated the injured worker's wage benefits. Now, this form will show you the wage amount they entered for the 13 weeks before the on-the-job accident. And we often find that the insurance companies make mistakes in calculating the benefits, and they are not paying the injured worker enough money in wage benefits. So if you or a family member has suffered a work-related injury, I highly recommend you speak with us as soon as possible to learn your rights and the insurance company's responsibilities under the Workers' Compensation Act here in Georgia.